You might have woke up this morning, went outside and thought, boy, it's hot, and then looked up at the sky and thought, and it's hazy.
You know, those hills should be nice and dark and fresh in color, and so there's a little bit of haze in the air, but it's nothing that would really even bother individuals who are sensitive to that.
Department of Environmental Quality expert John Becker says despite the murky skies and recent fires, ozone levels are safe at this time. And while he says summer generally brings better air quality, the onset of fire season poses a threat.
If a fire does get away from them during fire season, there are times during the summer that we have kind of poor weather.
Over the weekend, hot weather and dry conditions really ignited this year's fire season.
Prior to Sunday afternoon yesterday, fire season had been a slow start for us here at Medford Fire Rescue, but it took off yesterday.
Chief Dave Bierweiler says that heat and smoke pollution can be harmful to many, particularly the very young, asthmatic, and elderly.
If you have elderly people in your life, make sure you're checking on them on a regular basis.
But he does say there are many things you should do to make your home fire resistant.
Officials say it's important to keep low-lying grass and weeds cut down to at least 6 inches up to 100 feet from your home. That way you can prevent fires from starting near your residence.
Other tips include not leaving wood piles against your home, making it accessible, and trimming overhanging trees. So for now, Becker says not to worry. Today's hazy skies are due to a recent lack of rain.
We do see a little bit of elevated levels in the ozone because sunlight and all the activities that everybody does on a routine basis puts all these chemicals in the air, and it sort of does build up over time until, you know what, the next weather front moves through.
Waiting for the next bit of rain before a potential fire starts.